So the 0 to 1 Bitcoin challenge continues, and in today's video I'll be giving you guys another upgrade, and I will show you exactly where I am earning the most amount of Bitcoin. If you are new to the channel, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe. So we have started with literally 0 Bitcoin, and now we are working our way all the way to 1 whole Bitcoin. That is the challenge. If you're interested, follow along. So in this challenge, all I'm doing is using different apps, different platforms, different methods in order to earn Bitcoin, and I am accumulating all of it into a cold storage wallet that is completely offline. If you are interested in a cold storage wallet, Trezor's, in my opinion, is one of the best ones. The link will be in the description box below. So I'm earning Bitcoin using all these different methods, and then I'm simply pulling it into this cold storage wallet. And now, without wasting any more of your time, let's go over to the computer screen so I can show you exactly where I have earned most of my Bitcoin so far. Alright, so now we are inside of my spreadsheet. As you can see, in June, we started this challenge, and for the month of June, we ended up earning $120.40 worth of Bitcoin. Not bad at all, especially when we have just started out. And then in the month of July, we have earned a little bit more Bitcoin, but in the month of August and September, that is where things really started taking off. And I firmly believe that I will accomplish this challenge and earn 1 whole Bitcoin. And now let me show you the numbers for August. So let's quickly move it over. Just like that, as you can see, with the Go Mining platform, I earned 0 Bitcoin simply because in the whole month I was reinvesting all of my profits in order to earn more Bitcoin. If you are new to this channel, Go Mining is a platform that allows you to mine Bitcoin pretty much every single day. You buy these NFT miners, and then daily you get passive income, which is paid out in Bitcoin. So for the month of August, I earned 0. I reinvested all the Bitcoin that I made in order to accumulate more power so I can make more Bitcoin daily. And as of right now, I'm making over $6 a day mining Bitcoin with the Go Mining platform. Link in the bio if you want to start. But where I earned the most amount of Bitcoin in August was with the Gemini Bitcoin Credit Card. Link in the bio as well. With this credit card, you are able to earn up to 4% back in crypto. In this case, I chose Bitcoin for this challenge, but you can use Cardano, Chainlink, Solana, Ethereum, and a ton of other ones as well. So whatever crypto you want to accumulate, you'll be able to do so with this credit card. But as you can see, we earned 0.0037174 Bitcoin, which is not bad at all. And then right below that is that Bitcoin mining game, and we earned over 4,000 Satoshis. Personally, the game right now is the lowest earner, and it takes up most of my time. So I'll probably end up phasing this one out, to be honest. So for the month of August in total, I have earned $431.89 worth of Bitcoin, which is not bad at all. That brings our total for this challenge to $569.85. But things get even better in September, and let me show you. So in September, we started earning even more. Right now, we are in the middle of September. It is currently September 15th when I'm making this video. So we will probably end up making a lot more Bitcoin in this month than what you are seeing on this chart. And towards the end of the month, I will make another video showing you the total numbers for September. But so far, we started cashing out on the Go Mining platform again. But as of right now, we started cashing out from the Go Mining platform again, and we have cashed out 0.0006135 Satoshis. And then with the Gemini credit card, we have earned a whopping 0.01005438 Satoshis, which is not bad at all. So that brings our total for September to $1,225.10. I still have a couple more withdrawals to make on the Go Mining platform, and I still got to withdraw some Bitcoin from the Gemini credit card as well. These are just the numbers that I have already withdrawn into my cold storage wallet. So the total amount so far comes out to $1,000. $3,795.11 worth of Bitcoin. But where I earned the most amount of Bitcoin is with the Gemini credit card. This credit card is absolutely free. There are no annual fees whatsoever, and you can earn 4% on gas, EV, and transit, such as Uber, Lyft, and all of that stuff. You get 3% back in Bitcoin on dining, fast food. You get 2% back on groceries, and then 1% on everything else. The rewards add up very, very quickly. Also, you earn crypto instantly on every purchase. It has all the security features of MasterCard, and best of all, the Bitcoin that you earn with this credit card grows over time. For example, with a regular credit card, if you earn $1, that dollar remains the same, $1. With this credit card, you get paid in Bitcoin. The higher the price of Bitcoin goes, the more money your rewards are going to be worth. Also, right now they do have a $200 sign up bonus. If you spend $3,000 in the first 90 days, you get that bonus. If you use the link in the description box below, you will get an extra $50 bonus. So that is a $250 bonus. Obviously, don't get this credit card and go out there and spend $3,000 on things you don't need. What I do personally is use it to pay my major bills. For example, car insurance. I paid car insurance on all 3 of my vehicles, and that took a big chunk out of the $3,000. Car insurance is something that I have to pay. Why not pay it with this credit card and get closer to earning that bonus? And like I mentioned earlier, there's no annual fee, no foreign transaction fees, and no exchange fees to acquire your crypto rewards, which is something that I absolutely love about this credit card. And you can also choose what color you want. I do have the black edition. My wife has the pink one as well. They also have the Bitcoin orange with the Bitcoin logo. And if you are a fan of XRP, they do have the bluish one as well with the XRP logo. And if you're not a big fan of Bitcoin, you can choose 50 plus other cryptos to earn instead of BTC with your card. So that is it for this quick little update on the 0 to 1 Bitcoin challenge. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Peace out.